Hola,
Hola,
què tal? Com estàs?
bé, gràcies.
Com et dius?
Em dic Eli. I tu?
Jo em dic Marc, encantat. No ets catalana, oi? D'on ets?
No, no sóc catalana. Sóc d'Itàlia.
Ah, així ets italiana. I on vius, a Itàlia?
A Roma. I tu? D'on ets?
Jo sóc del Canadà i normalment visc a Mont-real. Ara, però, visc i estudio a Barcelona. Great. So after the dialogue that you just saw that these two characters had, let's analyze a bit what they said to each other. Yeah. First thing that we say when we introduce ourselves to somebody, when we greet somebody, it's obviously the word hola. Yeah. This is our way of saying hello. Very close to Spanish. There are some little differences in pronunciation, but you will get there if you study one of the Catalan courses. Yeah? But first thing, hola. Yeah? Then, second thing, we might say, ¿qué tal, ¿cómo estás? Yeah? One of the characters says, hola, ¿qué tal, cómo estás? ¿Qué tal, cómo estás? Good. These two things, more or less, mean the same, yeah? Which is, how are you? Yeah? How are you doing? What's up? All these questions. We tend to sometimes to say two things together that mean the same. We tend to repeat things here, yeah? So we say a lot, sí, no, twice. Yeah? We say things twice. So you will hear a lot, ¿qué tal, cómo estás? Means the same, yeah? ¿Qué tal, cómo estás? If we analyze cómo estás, this word means how. And estás, are you? How are you? Yeah? And then the reply that you might want to have to say is this bé, gracias. Bé means I'm fine, thank you. Bé, gracias. Yeah? You're always fine because this is the only answer that we are teaching you. You can say I'm bad, I feel not a good day, whatever. Yeah? But we tend to say bé, gracias, or even we say molt bé, very well, molt. Yeah? Molt bé, you will hear this. Important here, yeah? Bé, gracias. Notice that I'm saying gracias, yeah? I'm not saying gracias, th, yeah? The sound th in Catalan doesn't exist, yeah? The same as the sound h and th, they don't exist in Catalan. In Catalan, we have z and j, yeah? Which they don't exist in Spanish, yeah? So we don't say gracias, we say gracias. So from now on, if you speak in Catalan, you're living in a city that is called Barcelona. Next bit of the conversation. So we know how we are, introducing a hey, what's up, how are you? And then we might ask the name, yeah? So to ask what's your name, the question that we use is com et dius? How do you say yourself? Yeah, which is maybe might sound a bit of a weird way of asking for the name. How do you say yourself? Yeah, so what's your name? Com et dius? Yeah, and the answer that would say is em dic, I say myself, and the character says Eli. Yeah, em dic Eli. And you, i tu? Because if not, we start with these conversations that, what's your name? My name is da-da-da. What's your name? And it's a bit of a classroom language, yeah? No. Com et dius? Em dic whatever. I tu? And you? And then the guy replies, em dic Marc. My name is Marc. Com et dius? Em dic. Then we hear this word, encantat. Yeah? It's nice to meet you, a pleasure. Yeah? Enchanté. You say encantat if you are a man. If you're a woman, you say encantada. If you're a man, encantat. If you're a woman, encantada. Nice to meet you. Good, so let's continue. We know now how to say how are you, ¿cómo estás? And to ask for what's your name, yeah, ¿cómo et dius? And the next bit of the dialogue is a question that you will encounter and that a lot of people will ask you, that it's obviously, where are you from? So the first thing that the guy in the dialogue asks and notices is that the girl is not Catalan. Yeah? So he asks, no ets catalana, oi? You're not Catalan, right? Are you? Yeah, this oi means this bit of right, yeah, you will hear it a lot. Oi, yeah. You are not Catalan, are you? And the next question is the question, yeah? Where are you from? Where are you from? D'on ets? On, this word, on means where. This word, ets, means are you? Where are you? Then we have this D, yeah? This D with the apostrophe. This word comes, and let's do a little bit of quick grammar, comes from this word, the. And the means from or of, yeah? In this case, it means from. So, from where are you? Now, why this apostrophe, yeah? Well, when this word is followed by a word that starts with a vowel, A, I, all these vowels, yeah? Then it loses the E and the apostrophe comes, yeah? It's a very simple rule, grammatic rule, but you will see it a lot written. D'on ets? From where are you? And then she answers, yeah? She answers first to the first question. No ets catalana, oi? And then she says, no, no soc catalana. No, I am not Catalan. And then she answers the second question, d'on ets? And she says, soc d'Itàlia. Yeah? I am from Italy. Italia starts with a vowel, this word again loses the E and the apostrophe appears. Soc d'Itàlia. I am from Italy. And then the guy says, a lot of therefore, then, therefore, ets italiana, you are Italian, yeah? No, no soc catalana, soc d'Itàlia, així ets italiana. And the dialogue continues because they are not only interested in where are they from, but they want to know where do they live. Yeah? So the guy asks, where do you live in Italy? On vius a Italia. Yeah? On, we know already this word means where. Yeah? Where do you live in Italy? And then she replies, I live in Rome. Visc a Roma. Yeah? The important bit on vius, and then you reply visc a, and you add the place where you live. Yeah? She probably politely asks him back, and you, y tu, where are you from? And then he replies with a bit of a more complex phrase. Yeah? He says, I am from Canada. Jo soc del Canadà. Usually, normalment, visc a, I live in Montreal. But, now, ara, I live and I study in Barcelona. Visc I estudio. I live and study. Jo soc del Canadà. Normalment visc a Montreal, però ara visc i estudio a Barcelona. So, if you know already any Romance language, I'm sure that this will be very familiar to you. And if not, I'm sure that you will have found it not that difficult.